Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a company that you might not be familiar with, but that's actually a pretty big player in the financial services industry. It's called Bread Financial. Now, you might be wondering, what is Bread Financial? Well, it's actually a holding company that owns two major banks, Community Bank and Community Capital Bank. These banks offer a variety of financial products and services, including credit cards, personal loans, and savings accounts. So, if you're looking for a bank that can offer you a wide range of financial products and services, Bread Financial might be a good option for you. But that's not all there is to know about this company. In this video, I'm going to dive deeper into the history of Bread Financial, its current operations, and its future prospects. I'll also be sharing some of my own personal experiences with the company. So, if you're interested in learning more about Bread Financial, be sure to stay tuned. Here's a breakdown of the script. Intro. Start with a question to hook the audience. For example, you could ask, "What bank do you use?" or "What are some of the things you look for in a bank?" Then, provide some background information about Bread Financial. You can mention that it's a holding company that owns two major banks, and that it offers a variety of financial products and services. Talk about the history of Bread Financial. When was it founded? How has it grown over the years? Discuss the current operations of Bread Financial. What products and services does it offer? What are its target markets? Talk about the future prospects of Bread Financial. What are its plans for growth? What challenges does it face? Share your own personal experiences with Bread Financial. Have you ever been a customer of one of its banks? What do you think of the company?